G'day DIYers. I'm carrying on with the other wall of the splashback. I've done these tiles here. Now it's all straightforward, just to spread my glue and zap up full tiles. I still won't go the full height. It's very hot on the Gold Coast, Australia. It's about 31 today, and the glue dries very quick. So it's better to not spread too much, because it skins very easy. Whooshka. Keep that in your mind. It's a fantastic word. Whooshka. Getting a few giggles from Coco there. She is the owner. She's very excited. She's a lovely Japanese lady, and when she greets me she says, "G'day mate." That's really Australian. So it's all brick pattern like that. It's got a wiggly edge, this tile. It adds to the artistic look. Tomorrow I'll come back and grout it. It would be dry in a short time, but it's always better to I don't sort of try and do things in the same day, but I could do this in the same day easy. But I'm not going to. Okay, so what I'll be doing now is going halfway. I've got to find my halfway point. There's a tape here. My halfway point, 150, so half of that is 75. And then it's just a matter of placing your tiles like so. DIY, grab a few crosses, I'm putting my crosses in like this, not that I'm tight and I want to save the crosses. No, I don't care about that. It's just because I can pull them all out and use them again. But being brick fashion like that, that's the only way you can do it. Okay, we'll see you again. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Poke the subscribe button. We'll see you soon.